I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today I'm showing you how to change the front caster wheel on the Jazzy Carbon 27X. This is the X-frame folding power chair by Pride Mobility. If you need parts for your power chair, check the link in the description below. I will have a parts page linked to this. And then if you're interested in this unit, I will also have a link to this unit in the description below if you want current pricing or anything like that. So now I'm going to show you how to remove the front caster wheel. Now I have the chair tilted on its side so you can see what I'm doing a little better. I find it a little easier to work. I laid down a board just so I wouldn't be scratching it, so don't lay it down on concrete or anything. Make sure it's carpet or something soft. So the tools you're going to need is a 5mm Allen wrench for one side for this bolt here, and then a 13mm hex head for this side. So we're going to start by removing this front caster wheel. We'll go ahead and take this front nut off first. And then there is a washer on this side. We're going to try to keep track of that. And then this bolt is just going to kind of push out through the other side. And then the tire drops out. Luckily, there's no washers on the inside, so that's how you remove the tire. To install your new tire, it's actually very easy because there is no like washers that you have to line up in here. They're kind of like built, the bearings already kind of built in. This is a very easy replacement. So you're just gonna kind of do what we did to take it off. You're gonna line it up with the holes, slide your bolt in, push it all the way through the other side. Don't forget your washer that we kept track of earlier. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just hand tighten this right here. And then we're going to get our 5mm Allen and then our 13mm socket or hex wrench, and we're going to go ahead and tighten this back up. You don't have to make it super tight, you just want it snug because but there is a bearing in there, so if you make it too tight, the wheel's still going to spin. You just want it to be nice and secure. But now we have our new tire on. This has been how to replace the front caster wheel on the Jazzy Carbon 27X. Once again, I have parts pages linked in the description below. We ship parts all around the United States. And if you would like and subscribe, it really helps out our channel. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.